I bought items worth over 250,000 on Temu, and these items you've never had imagined actually exist on Temu. I got personalized custom keychains, personalized brooches, customized name stickers that I put on everything, and also viral Stanley cups at the most affordable prices. And the one that bothering me the most is this airline-approved bag that has a secret shoe compartment. If you're interested in seeing Temu items that you never knew existed, stay tuned for this video.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
Hello, welcome to another Temu haul series. Now I got about over 100 items from Temu for myself, family members that wanted to save on a couple of things. Kicking off this haul is this airline/airport approved luggage carry-on backpack. Now this thing, as small as it looks, it can contain so many things, and this is actually pretty popular online, so I decided to get it and try myself because I travel. So I was able to fit 6 shoes into the shoe compartment because it has a shoe compartment, 2 compact sneakers, they are pretty small, 2 sandals, 1 flat and 1 flip-flop. Then I was able to fit some of my exercise gear, waist trainer, my jump rope, some workout clothes, enough clothes for a 2-week vacation, my power banks, my phones, a laptop, and so on. So the backpack is really effective. And when I want to go to school, because I also got this because I'm going to be starting school soon, and when I want to go to school, I take out everything, buckle the bag back up, and it is compressed again. You will never know that it can fit so many things. Do I love this? God, I love this bag. No need asking me. Mere looking at it, you know that there is love there. Next up are these Stanley cups. I got one for myself and I got one for my mother. My mom's is in gradient purple and mine's is in gradient pink. I actually carried out a test on these Stanley cups, and it's time for me to give you an honest review. Piping hot water, if you put that in the Stanley cup, then leave it for about 3 hours, it is going to still be piping hot at the end of the 3 hours. But if you now leave it for 3 more hours, you come back and it is warm/lukewarm. Leave it for 3 more hours, the temperature doesn't change. As far as I'm concerned, that performance I like. I do not know how the original Stanley cup behaves, whether it can keep water piping hot for more than 6 hours, but it's the 3 to 6 hours that I get out of it I actually appreciate, and that's why I got it in the first place. I am not going to use it to keep water cold. It's mainly to keep water hot/hot-ish warm. So if you appreciate this type of performance, I advise definitely you get it. I was able to get this at a discounted price. Something very important you should be looking out for when buying Stanley cups on sites like this, whether it's Temu, AliExpress, but you should be looking for keywords like handle, straw, leak-proof lid, also double-walled insulated vacuum stainless steel. These were all the keywords that I was looking out for when I was shopping for these Stanley cups for I and my mom. You would not believe that these 2 cups, they look exactly the same, but I got them from 2 different stores, and when I brought both of them, tested them out, they were both doing the exact same thing. Why? Because I was looking out for the keywords that I wanted. Keywords is what all these Chinese websites, even regular trusted websites these days, they use keywords to mess you up if you do not look out for them. So make sure you do look out for them. And secondly, as you can see, I tested if it was leak proof, and yes, it was leak proof. Just as long as you secure everything, make sure the water is not filled to pouring, and you're good to go. Let's talk about this customized keychain. This has the name of my brand on it. That's my name, stylized. It's acrylic, double layered with a white buckle. I love this design to heaven and back. Now, the reason why I got this was because I had this scenario in my head that maybe if I lose it, I am not clumsy, I am not forgetful, I don't lose things. But let's say peradventure I lose my keys, somebody can pick it up and be like, oh, this belongs to Cheche, let's return it to her. But at the same time, after getting this, I realized that there are negative side effects as well attached to this. Somebody could see those keys and be like, so these are her keys. And for security reasons, I advise when you get this with caution. If you're getting this for anybody, make sure that that person is a careful person. Also, in that world of customized, personalized items, I got a brooch, a customized name brooch for my backpack. Because this again is so popular, I was like, I can put this in the airport and this can get mixed up with someone else's bag. I can take somebody else's bag and someone else could take my own bag. So I got the brooch to put on my bag just as a way to identify my own property. Next thing I got is this personalized 10-piece glitter name decal sticker. Now I got this so that I would be able to personalize other things that I was unable to personalize. Like for example, I was able to stick this onto my Stanley cup and it looked like it was made for it. I got this in glittery pink. I was also able to put this on my cell phones, my Android phone and my iPhone. I also put this on the tablet sleeve of my tablet as well as my tablet. Tell me in the comments what you think about this personalization, this creative way I do things. I love getting certain things customized, especially with my name brand. Somebody might say, somebody that's bored might say, let me Google what that is, because I keep seeing it all over, and boom, you land in my page. So that's just a way of branding myself, branding everything. Tell me what you think in the comments, and while you're down there, consider hitting the subscribe button, turning on your notification bell, and also hitting the like button if you are liking this content so far. We have a toddler in the house, so I got him this double-sided nausea stunt car, and it says that it is educational as well. I haven't given it to him yet because we want to use it and surprise him when he's done with his exams. You know, if he does well in his exams, we'll give him the car. You want to get something for your toddlers that can also educate them. This is a perfect choice as well. I have a particular Temu haul where I review all the jewelry that I got from Temu. I have a Temu haul where I review fashion items. It's going to be a fashion haul. I also have a tech haul from Temu where I review tablets, mics, different tech accessories. I might have another haul outside that, but for now these are the 3 that I can think of. If you are interested in seeing those hauls, consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your notification bell so that you get notified when those videos go up. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this content. Consider sharing it to people that are interested in content like this, and love you. Choose. Have a nice day.